A long time ago, a kingdom was ruled by a powerful king. One day, a foreign visitor came to the king's court, and a foreigner gave the king a beautiful stone as a gift. The king was very pleased to see the stone and determined to make an idol of himself out of it, and entrusted the making of the idol to the minister of the kingdom. The grand minister went to the greatest sculptor of the state and said, "Maharaj wants to set up his own idol. Within 7 days, make an idol of Maharaj and bring it to the palace. In return, you will be given 50 gold coins." Murthikar was very happy to hear about the 50 gold coins. He then quickly went into the house and came away with the idol making tools. And from there, taking the hammer to break the stone, Barbar began to strike the stone with the hammer. But the stone was not breaking at all, as the stone remained exactly as it was. After about 50 blows, he raised the hammer to strike for the last bar. But he lowered the hammer, thinking that when, after trying 50 times, he could not break the stone, what else would it break with one blow? He took the stone to the minister, went and said to the minister, "This stone cannot be broken. So it is not possible to make an idol with it." But meanwhile, the minister has to obey the words of the Maharaj no matter what. So in desperation, he gave the responsibility of making the statue to a common sculptor of the state in the shop. The idolater took the stone and struck the stone in front of the minister, and the stone broke with one blow, because it has already suffered a lot. So the bond of the stone was loosened. After breaking the stone, the idolater plunged into making the idol. And at this, the minister began to think, if the idolater had only made one last effort, he would have got 50 gold coins today. So friends, from this story we learn that sometimes when we face problems while doing something, we lose our confidence and we don't try anymore. And sometimes after a couple of failures, we give up, although a little more effort would have shown us the way to success. So even after repeated failures, one should keep trying until success is seen. Maybe at the end, we give up. Do give your valuable feedback on how you like the story.